channel. This is Kameshwari Math Tutor. This is for grade 6 children, ratio and proportion, chapter 12. This belongs to NCERT state syllabus or CBSE or Cambridge Press. All topics are the same, children. You must learn the procedure only. What is the question given by them? There are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? What they has given? There are 20 girls. How many girls are there? 20 girls are there. And 15 boys in a class. How many boys are there? 15 boys. So, they are asking you to find out the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys. In the previous video, I explained you about a ratio. What is the ratio and how to find out the ratio. See, now we are going to the question. There are 20 girls. How many girls are there? Girls are 20. How many boys are there? Boys is equal to 15 boys. Okay? That means 20 girls and 15 boys. What are the total number of students? Total is equal to total number of students. Total number of students is equal to 20 plus 15. 20 plus 15. That means number of boys plus number of girls is equal to 35. Okay. Total number of students are 35. What is the first question? A. What is the ratio? They ask you to find out the ratio of number of girls. Don't change the order, children. Number of girls. Ratio of number of girls to the number of boys. How many girls are there? 20 girls are there. Ratio means what is the symbol? Is to. Number of boys to the number of boys. How many boys are there? 15 boys are there. Now, ratio means I told you that division only. You must divide the two numbers. Okay? 20. What is the common factor of 20 and 15? Which table it divides? It divides with 5 table. 5 4 is 20, 5 3 is 15. I am dividing this 20 and 15 with 5. So, how many times it divides, children? 5 4 is 20 is to 5 3 is 15. See, 4 is to 3. Here, 4 and 3. What are the common factors of 4 and 3? Do you have any common factors? No. Why? Because 4 and 3 are co-primes. They are not having any common factors. So, 4 is to 3 is the simplest term. Leave like that. Okay? What is the ratio of number of girls and boys? 4 is to 3. What is next question? We will go to next question. What is the ratio of? They are asking you to find out the ratio of number of girls. Number of girls. Ratio of number of girls to the number of total number to the total number of students in the class. Total number of students in the class. They has given that to find out the ratio of number of girls. That means girls to total number of students. Total. How many girls are there? 20 girls are there. 20 girls are there. Is to total number of students how many? 35. So, 35. Now, 20 and 35. With which table it divides? What is the common factor of 20 and 35? It divides with 5. So, divide these two numbers with 5. 5. How many times it divides? 5 4 is 20 is to 5 7 is 35. So, what is the 4 and 7? Do 4 and 7 have any common factor? No. Why? Because 4 and 7 are co-primes. They are not having any common factor. So, what is the answer? 4 is to 7 is the answer. Therefore, the ratio of girls to boys is 4 is to 7. Okay? That's all. Next question is, out of 30 students in a class, 6 like football, 12 like cricket and remaining tennis. Find the ratio of. What is the given question? They has given that 30 students. Total number of students, how many children? Total number of students is equal to how many? 30 students are there. In these 30 students, how many like football? 6 children. Okay. Football. No need to write full steps. Okay. How many like football, ma? 6 students like football. How many members like cricket? 12 members. Cricket is equal to 12. Okay. Now, and the remaining like tennis. See here, in the total number of students, 6 like football, 12 likes cricket. Remaining children likes what? Tennis. So, how many members like tennis we will find out. Okay. Tennis. How many members like tennis? What is the total number? 30. See here children. For example, I will give one example for this. Your mother gave you 10 rupees. Your mother has given 10 rupees. In the 10 rupees, what you did? You took 2 rupees chocolate. 2 rupees chocolate. How much amount your mother gave? 10 rupees. Your mother gave you 10 rupees. In the 10 rupees, chocolate is 2 rupees. Okay. Chocolate is 2 rupees. Pencil cost. Pencil is equal to 5 rupees. Okay. What is the remaining amount? See here, total amount is 10. What is the cost of chocolate? 2 rupees. Cost of a pencil? 5 rupees. What is the remaining amount you are having? 2 plus 5 how much? 7. So, 10 minus 7 is 3 rupees. So, remaining amount is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3 rupees. Same like this. Total number of students, how many children here? Total number of students are 6. Remaining in football, total number of students are 30. In football, 6 are there. In cricket, 12 are there. So, how many are there in tennis means? What should we do? Add this 6 and 12 and subtract from 30. So, I am writing like this. 30 minus 6 plus 12. All of you understood? 30 minus 6 plus 12, how much now? 18. 30 minus 18, how much? Here if you borrow, 10 will be there. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here I borrowed now, 2 will be there. 2 minus 1 is 1. How many members like tennis? 12 members like tennis. Okay. Football 6 members, cricket 12 members, tennis also 12 members. If you want to check your answer, 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. Here 30 is matching. So your answer you have done correctly. Okay. What is the first question? A question. Number of students, find the ratio of, they ask you to find out the ratio. Ratio of number of students liking football. You must find out the ratio for football and to the number of students liking tennis. You must find out the ratio for football and tennis. Don't change the order. If you change the order, the whole answer becomes wrong. So, ratio of football and tennis is equal to, see here, how many members are playing football? 6 members. 6 is to, how many members are playing tennis? 12 members. 12. So, 6 is to 12. 6 and 12. What is the HCF? Highest common factor. What are the common factors of 6 and 12? See, 6 and 12. See here, if I start from 2 table. 2, 3, 6. 2, 6, 12. It divides with 2 table. Next, 3. 3, 2, 6. 3, 4, 12. 3 table also will divide. Next, 4. 4 table 6 won't divide. So leave it. Afterwards, 5. 5 also won't divide. 6 you see. 6, 1, 6. 6, 2 is 12. 6, 2 is 12. That means these two numbers are divisible by 2, 3 and 6. In these 3 numbers, what is the highest number? 6 is the highest number. So, what is the HCF of these two numbers? These two numbers HCF is highest common factor. HCF means what ma? Highest common factor. 6 is the highest common factor. If you divide these two numbers by 6, you can get answer within one step. Okay. 6 1 6. I am dividing these two numbers with 6. 6 1 6. 6 2 12. 1 and 2 are co-primes, not having any common factor. So 1:2 is the simplest term. Okay. Or lowest terms. This is the ratio of football and tennis. What is the ratio? 1:2. Completed. Second question. B. Number of students liking cricket. You must find out the ratio of number of students liking cricket. Ratio of cricket and total number of students. They ask total number of students. Total number of students is equal to, how many members are playing cricket, ma? Cricket, 12 members. So 12 is to, how many members are total? Total number of students, how many? 30 members are there. 30. Okay. 12 and 30. You must do them with the highest common factor. It divides with 2 tables. Both numbers will divide with 2 tables. 3 also it divides. 3 4 12, 3 10 30. It divides with any other table, ma? 4. 4 table 12 will divide, 30 won't divide. 5 table 30 will divide, 12 won't divide. So 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 5 is 30. It divides, both numbers will be divisible with 6. 7 8 not having any common factor. In this what? It is, these two numbers are dividing with 2, 3 and 6. 2, 3 and 6, which is the highest common factor? 6. So I am dividing these two numbers with 6. 6 2 is 12 is 2. 6 5 is 30. 2 and 5 are co-primes, not having any common factor. So what is the answer? 2:5 is the answer. All of you understood? Like this we need to solve the given question.